Carnivore Diet on a Dime. 5 genius grocery hacks to save you money. If you're looking to dive into the carnivore diet without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing the top 5 genius grocery hacks that will help you save money while enjoying a meat-based lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned carnivore or just starting out, these tips will make your shopping experience easier and more affordable. So, let's get right into it. One of the best ways to save money on the carnivore diet is to buy your meat in bulk. Many grocery stores and butcher shops offer discounts when you purchase larger quantities. Look for sales on whole cuts of meat like briskets or pork shoulders, and consider splitting the cost with a friend or family member. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have a stockpile of delicious meat ready to go. Just make sure to properly freeze any excess to maintain freshness. Another fantastic way to save money is to shop at local farmers markets or directly from local farms. Often, you can find high-quality meat at lower prices than in big grocery chains. Plus, buying local supports your community and ensures that you're getting fresh, ethically sourced products. When it comes to the carnivore diet, don't overlook the power of offcuts. These lesser-known cuts of meat, like chuck roast or beef shank, are often much cheaper than prime cuts, but can be just as flavorful when cooked properly. Slow cooking or braising these cuts can yield tender, delicious meals that won't strain your wallet. Meal prepping is a game changer for anyone on a budget, especially those following the carnivore diet. By planning your meals for the week, you can buy only what you need and avoid impulse purchases. Cook large batches of meat and portion them out for the week ahead. This not only saves you money, but also time, as you won't have to cook every day. Plus, having ready-to-eat meals on hand can help you stick to your diet and avoid the temptation of less healthy options. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of coupons and grocery store loyalty programs. Many stores offer discounts on meat products, especially if you sign up for their newsletters or loyalty cards. Keep an eye out for sales and stock up when prices drop. You can also find apps that aggregate coupons and deals, making it easier to save money on your grocery bill. There you have it. Our top 5 genius grocery hacks for following the carnivore diet on a dime. By buying in bulk, shopping local, utilizing offcuts, meal prepping, and using coupons, you can enjoy a meat-based lifestyle without overspending. Remember, eating well doesn't have to be expensive. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own money-saving hacks in the comments below. Happy carnivoring!